Hi everyone. Today I'm here with an activity where the children are going to learn about the habitat of the animals. So they are not only going to learn where they live, but we are also going to talk a lot about these animals. They're going to gain a lot of knowledge about what they eat, how they look, how they behave. This will in turn help to increase their vocabulary and knowledge. So for example, we are going to take, say, a turtle. Where does the turtle live? The turtle lives in the water. So put the turtle in the water. Now what does the turtle have? It has a hard shell. And what does the shell do? It protects the turtle. Say we take a camel. What is this? Camel. Camel has a long neck and it also has a big hump. So while doing the activity, we can talk a lot to the children. In turn, they will gain a lot of knowledge and also they will learn a lot of words. So let's get started. Now for this activity, we need 3 trays which I've already prepared from beforehand. So one tray denotes air. The other tray denotes water and ice. And the third one denotes land. Okay, that may be a jungle or just land. Okay, this includes animals which live on land, maybe domestic animal, maybe wild animals. And here, animals that live in the water, animals that we see in the sky. They may be living on a nest, but we see them in the sky. So let's get started. What is this? This is a lobster and we eat lobster. So it lives in the water. What is this? Starfish. Where does it live? In the water. So here it goes in the water. What is this? It's a parrot. And where do you see a parrot? What? We see a parrot in the sky. So here. What is this? Turtle. Where do you see a turtle? We see a turtle in the water and a turtle has a hard shell. Next, what is this? Camel. Where does the camel live? Camel lives in the desert. What does a camel have here? It has a hump. It has a long neck. Now see, the plastic toy is pink, but camel is not pink, so that we have to tell our child. Okay, next, what is this? This is a dolphin. It's a very friendly sea animal. Where does it live? It lives in the water. What is this? Peacock. Peacock is the most beautiful bird. It has nice, colorful wings or tail. Yes, so it lives on land. Next, what is this? Jellyfish. When we go to the seaside, sometimes we find jellyfish. It comes along with the waves. Yes, it lives in the water. What is this? Penguin. Where do we see penguin? We see penguin in cold regions. We see it on the ice in cold regions. Yes, this is a penguin. What is this? This is a seal. We also see seal in cold regions on ice. Okay. Now I'm looking for some land animals. What is this? This is a rhinoceros. Yes, it lives on land and it also enters the water. Now, what is this? Octopus. Where does the octopus live? It lives in the water. It has so many legs. How many legs does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We also call it tentacles. Now, what's this? This is a fish. Where does it live? It lives in water. What is this? This is a horse. Where does the horse live? On land. And the horse gallops. And its baby is called pony. Okay? The horse neighs. This is a hammerhead shark. And it's very dangerous. And it goes in the water. So this is the way you can carry on with all the animals that we have. We have crab, we have a swan, okay, we have crocodile. Some of them live both on land and in water. So you can just carry on with all of them. We have a hen here, okay, we have another bird, and we have a crane. So this is a very fun way to learn about animals. I hope all of you had a lot of fun doing this activity. So please do it at home. Talk to your children. They will definitely increase their vocabulary and have fun. Thank you so much.